-4, which is written by Louis Fischer.
Speaker.
Yes, the writer, the name of the writer is Louis Fischer, and he has written on Mahatma Gandhi. Bujhala, he loved Mahatma Gandhi, and he was counted as one of the admirer of Mahatma Gandhi. Bujhala. He followed the life and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, and he loved Mahatma Gandhi, and he was one of the follower of Mahatma Gandhi. से जने महात्मा गांधी गोटे भक्त थे और महात्मा गांधी को से भल पाउतले, and he has closely studied the life and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi in his book The Life of Mahatma Gandhi, which was published in the year 1950. 1950 मसीह प्रकाश पाई द लाइफ ऑफ महात्मा गांधी विषय को से भल भाव पढ़ी, and it is an experience of the writer, and he has written this text in London in -4. Actually, it was an experience of the writer. It was an experience of Mahatma Gandhi that Louis Fischer had followed. Bujhela. So before going to the topic, I would like to mention something about the writer, that he was born in the year 1896 and died in the year 1970. Bujhela. He is an outstanding American writer, and he was from West. Bujhela. He was a Western writer, not an Indian writer. He was American writer. He was a columnist and analyst of world affairs. He occupies a unique place among Gandhiji's admirers in the West. He has closely studied the life and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi in his book The Life of Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1950. So, why this topic is given, and what is the experience of Mahatma Gandhi, and why Louis Fischer has written this topic. बुझिएला. I told you he was one of the admirers. से जने थिले प्रशंसक और भक्त कार महात्मा गांधी तांकर धर्म नीति को बा तांकर नीति को से बहुत भल पाउथले. बुझिएला. And we know Mahatma Gandhi loved non violence, नहीं कि अहिंसा नीति को से बहुत भल पाउथले. And the team was, and he was one of the freedom fighter, and many more fighters were there led by Mahatma Gandhi, and due to those people we have got freedom today. बुझिएला कि नहीं? And we are leading a happy life today, and it has happened due to Mahatma Gandhi and his assistants, as we can say. So what is the topic here? It is one topic roichi. So do you know the second round table conference in London is an important landmark in the history of Indian freedom movement. It was held in London from September 1931 from 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931. Actually, second roundtable conference was going to be held in London from 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931, and he was Mahatma Gandhi was the sole delegate from India to represent India and to attend the second roundtable conference, which was going to be held in London, and that is why he had to sail away from India. तांको भारतरू लंडन को जीवार थिला. बुझेला कि to attend the second round table conference was second round table conference which was going to be held in London, and what was going to be decided there in that second round table conference. Seat कौन हेबा पई जाउथला. Actually the fortune or the fate of India freedom movement was going to be decided. बुझेला, whether India should get freedom or not, that was about to decide in that second round table conference. बुझिएला. second round table conference हेबाकु जाउथला लंडन रे, जोथरे अटेंड करबा पय महात्मा गांधी एकमात्र प्रतिनिधि रूप रे भारतरू से ग्रस्त आरंभ करथिले. बुझिएला. एंड कोन हेछि तापरे and what was going to be decided, कोन सेठी स्थिर हेबा पय जाउथला, and what was the discussion. Actually the discussion was going to be made upon Indian freedom. बुझिएला. भारतर स्वाधीनता विपर जाइकर सेटा माने से पर्यवेक्षित थिला. बुझिएला. माने भारतर भाग्य निर्धारित हेबा पय जाउथला से सेकंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस रे. बुझिएला. So through this discussion which is made by the writer Louis Fischer, we will come to know the characteristic of Mahatma Gandhi and his activities there in London, and how he loved people and how people followed him for his activities. बुझेला कि से विषय आम पढ़ा जाऊे. बर्तमान महात्मा गांधी कौन सब कार्यकलाप था जहाँद्वारा लोक मैंने भल बा पसंद कले कौटी इन लंडन. बुझेला. नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज स्टार्टेड लविंग महात्मा गांधी फॉर हिज एक्टिविटीज, फॉर हिज वर्क, फॉर हिज जॉब. बुझेला. एंड फॉर हिज नॉन वायलेंस. ओनली वन थिंग वी कैन से ही वाज फेमस फॉर हिज नॉन वायलेंस. बुझेला. अहिंसा नीति से सब. बुझेला. So we are coming directly to the text. Gandhi sailed from Bombay on the SS Rajputana at noon on August 29, 31. That means the people have started their journey from Bombay on the SS
Bombay.
Rajputana. SS Rajputana is the name of a ship. बुझेला से गोटे
हाँ जी
ship रो ना, and they started their journey on 29th August 1931. And who had along with the person Mahatma Gandhi? ଆଉ କିଏ କିଏ ଥିଲେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କ ସହିତ? accompanied by his youngest son ଦେବଦାସ, ତାଙ୍କର ସାନ ପୁଅ ଦେବଦାସ ଥିଲେ, ହି ଚିଫ୍ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ମହାଦେବ ଦେଶାଇ, ତାଙ୍କର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଯିଏ ଥିଲେ ମହାଦେବ ଦେଶାଇ, ହି ୱାଜ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଦେୟାର along with the person ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ. He said out Boswell. हाँ, so there was a person, ଏଠି ଲେଖା ଯାଇଛି out Boswell. ଦେଖ, you can see in the next page which is written the meaning of out Boswell. Mahadev Desai seemed to outshine Boswell in the art of keeping diaries. ବୁଝିହେଲା? So ଟିକେ ୱେଟ୍ କର. हाँ, so he said out Boswell misled parallel Nair, माने who माने other persons were there with the writer, other persons with there with the person महात्मा गांधी. बुझिला? अन्य लोक मान भी थिले महात्मा गांधी को सहित से माने हेले out Boswell कहले कोन? महादेव देसाई बोली जड़े लोक थिले. बुझिला who was used to be his chief secretary. सुबुचे? हाँ, and seemed to outshine Boswell in the art of keeping diaries, and he was keeping diaries. बुझिला? डायरी से मेंशन करथले. मिसलेड आउ के थिले who along with the person who were along with the person महात्मा गांधी. मिसलेड पैरेलल नायर एंड एड, द मीनिंग ऑफ एड बोल कहले असिस्टेंट बा सहयोगी, AID. बुझिला? तापरे आउ के थिले बिजनेसमैन GD बिरला. बुझिला? द टेक्सटाइल मिलेनियर and Pandit Malavya and Mrs. Naidu. So those were the team which was led by Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was the sole delegate. DELEGATE. lekho gote word delegate, प्रतिनिधि. DELEGATE. हला हेलो. हाँ, सोल डेलीगेट बोले एकमात्र प्रतिनिधि. SOLE सोल डेलीगेट. DELEGATE सोल डेलीगेट बोले एकमात्र प्रतिनिधि रूप से सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस जोग देवाई भारतर प्रतिनिधित्व करुले. बुझेला? सो वी केम टू नो अबाउट द सेटिंग ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. बुझेला? आमे जानी पारले सेटिंग कोन. एक्चुअली सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड इन लंडन from 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931, and Mahatma Gandhi was the sole delegate to attend that second round table conference, and he started his journey on the SS Rajputana at noon on August 29, 1931. बुझियाला? से 1931 August 29 रे तांको यात्रा आरंभ कले, accompanied by some persons. किछि लोकों को धरिकर से तांकर यात्रा आरंभ करथिले. बुझियाला? सो व्हाट मोर इट वाज गोइंग टू बी डन. आउ कोन कोन होतला देखो, आमे जाउछे पढिबा पय. गांधी वाज प्रोसीडिंग as sole delegate of Congress to the second round table conference in London. No other delegates were necessary since he spoke for the organization and for considerable segment of vocal India. So only thing it was in the mind of Mahatma Gandhi that he wanted to say, or he wanted to elaborate before the Britishers. No other delegates were necessary since he spoke for the organization, and he had already said to Britishers that only person would like to attend, and he would be Mahatma Gandhi. No other person will come with the person Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi को सहित केही आसबे नै, केवल Mahatma Gandhi will be the sole delegate to attend that सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड इट वाज स्पोकन ऑलरेडी ए भलिया कथा से ऑलरेडी कहि सारले सेति महात्मा गांधी सहित केवल किसी लोक जाउथले केवल तांको सहाय्य करिया पे नॉट टू अटेंड जस्ट टू कोऑपरेट महात्मा गांधी देयर इन इंग्लैंड बुझियला सो इट वाज a considerable segment of vocal India बुझियला एटा थिला महात्मा गांधी गोटे स्वप्न दैट हाउ ही वुड ब्रिंग फ्रीडम फॉर इंडिया बुझियला आउ भारतर वॉइस भाव में द पर्सन महात्मा गांधी was chosen and he had to attend the second round table conference. The meaning of this sentence is something like this. That means the voice of Mahatma Gandhi was going to attend. बुझियला and it was a considerable segment of Indian freedom movement. भारतर स्वाधीनता संग्राम रो एथिला गोटे बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण भाग बुझियला सो एंड इट वाज गोइंग टू डिसाइड द फॉर्च्यून ऑफ इंडिया एटा थिला भारतर फॉर्च्यून बा भाग्य चेंज करिया पय जाउतला बा भाग्य परिवर्तन करिया पय जाउतला बा भाग्य निर्धारित करिया पय जाउतला बुझियला सो इन लंडन वी आर डिस्कसिंग द पेज नंबर 31 इन लंडन फ्रॉम September 12th to December 5th he stayed most of the time at Kingsley Hall so it was arranged for Mahatma Gandhi and he stayed from 12th September to 5th December and he stayed where at Kingsley Hall an East Settlement House as guest of Muriel Lester and he was staying as a guest of Muriel Lester. Muriel Lester is a person and he was the owner of that settlement house and Mahatma Gandhi was the guest of Muriel Lester. बुझियला हाँ who had visited him in 1926 से बुलिया पे आस्तिले 1926 रे इंडिया morning he took walks through so what were the activities of Mahatma Gandhi there in London बुझियला तांकर रहिबा भितर तांकर एक्टिविटीज कोन थिला सो हाउ ही व्हाट वाज हिज डेली वर्क लुक एट द सेंटेंस मॉर्निंग्स he took walks through the nearby slum areas we know what is the meaning of slum मान जानि जना नै बस्ती अंचल स्लम माने बस्ती अंचल हाँ जेमती आमे कोइ परिबा इन टाउन माने इन डिफरेंट टाउन्स वी विल कम टू नो दैट some people live in slum areas बोले आमे अर्बन एरिया रो माने बस्ती अंचल को जोडी पोर मान रहंती गरीब लोक माने बसवास करंती दैट इज नोन एज slum areas बुझियला and men and women on the way to work would smile at him and he engaged them in conversation and later came to their homes बुझियला so daily in the morning the person Mahatma Gandhi he went for walking through the nearby slum areas सबुदिन सकाळ से कोन करथले पाख सहर रो माने सहर रो जो बस्ती अंचल अछि ताको बुलिया पय जाउथले के महात्मा गांधी and men and women on the way to work would smile at him and everybody those who were passing by this they used to smile at him महात्मा गांधी को देखि कर से माने हसुथले बुझियला so there was a smile on the face of men and women when they met Mahatma Gandhi so जेतल महात्मा गांधी को भेटुथले समस्ते स्माइल दउथले बुझियला and the person Mahatma Gandhi was also engaged them in conversation and later came to their homes सेमानक सहित कथावार्ता भी लिप्त रहउथले and sometimes he also went to their homes तांकर घर को बुलिबा को आस्तले बुझियला महात्मा गांधी बुलिबा को जाउथले तांकर घर को children called him uncle Gandhi children of that slum areas used to speak him or used to tell him or used to call him uncle Gandhi भाବରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଡାକୁଥିଲେ को माने जो छोट छोट शिशु माने थिले in different slum areas हला and you can write a sentence or you can write a word here sidle 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 बोल कहले माने लाजो भाबरे लाजो हेबा लाजो हेकि चली पळेबा बा नर्वस रे चली पळेबा सेटा होची sidle Children called him Uncle Gandhi. As I told you earlier, that children of different slum areas called him Uncle Gandhi and sidled off to him and held his hand. आउ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ they came to Mahatma Gandhi and they held his hand. ସେମାନେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଆଉ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ହାତକୁ ଧରିଥିଲେ ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ
Yes, sir.
One mischief loving. We know children are very nutty, and that is why the person Mahatma Gandhi loved them, and Mahatma Gandhi used to do some conversation with those people. As I told you, he used to talk to men and women, and also children of those slum areas loved Mahatma Gandhi, and they called him Uncle Gandhi and sidled up to him. ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁଥିଲେ and hold his hand. ତାଙ୍କର ହାତକୁ ସେମାନେ ଧରି ପକାଉଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା, କାର ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କର. So ଦେଖ, there was a mischief, ଗୋଟେ mischief ହେଇଥିଲା with Mahatma Gandhi, and what was that story? It is mentioned here in this page number 31. One mischief loving youngster called out, "Hey Gandhi, where are your trousers?" The Mahatma had a good laugh, and we know Mahatma Gandhi used to wear dhoti, nahi ke?
Yes,
And it was covered up to his waist, up to his knee, ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ?
sir.
जो लुगाटी पिंधुले इट वाज ए होम स्पन एंड घरे तैयारी गोटे पोशाक पिंधुले एंड इट वाज कवर्ड अप टू हिज नी, बुझेगा कि नी पर्यंत केवल आंठू तलू लुगा पिंधुले, आंठू आंठू ऊपर को ता तलू आ पिंधु नथिले, बुझेगा कि नहीं? सो वन मिस्चिफ लविंग बॉय यंगस्टर, ही वाज ए यंगस्टर एंड ही सेड टू महात्मा गांधी, ही सेड समथिंग टू महात्मा गांधी, एंड व्हाट ही सेड, वेयर आर योर ट्राउजर्स, तुम ड्रेस कहीं आज्ञा बोल पचारला, बुझेगा कि नहीं? Then Mahatma Gandhi smiled at him. He didn't answer anything to that youngster, and he had just a good laugh. गोटे केवल हस थिला तांकर मोर, nothing he said to the youngster. बुझिला?
Yes, sir.
So that was the story of slum areas when he visited them during the time of second roundtable conference, when he was staying there at Kingsley Hall as a guest of Muriel Leicester. बुझिला कि नहीं? So
Yes,
that is something we came to know in the first unit, which is written here by the writer Louis Pasteur. So just we will discuss two paragraphs in the second unit. So he was a wonderful newspaper copy. So before that I would like to mention as an introduction, do you know Gandhiji was humble in dress and simple in manners? We will come to know the postures of Mahatma Gandhi, how he was behaving to others and how he was acting, or how he was presenting before others. He was very simple, he was very humble, and he was very honest, as we know, नहीं कि?
sir.
हाँ, बहुत सिंपल और साधारण लोग थे से. He was a wonderful newspaper copy, and journalists buzzed around him incessantly. One reporter questioned Gandhi about his dress. Your people, he replied, were plus pose, mine are minus pose. When he was invited to tea in Buckingham Palace with King Fifth George and Queen Mary, all England was agog over he would wear. He wrote the usual loincloth, sandals, a shawl, and his dangling dollar watch. Subsequently, someone asked Gandhi where he had enough on. The king, he replied, had enough on for both of us. So, before going to start the topic, I just would like to mention something about this paragraph. Actually, one day the person Mahatma Gandhi was invited for a tea party by by King Fifth George and Queen Mary in London, बुझिएला? And
Yes,
people or the journalist came to know about Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was about to come to that place, बुझिएला कि नहीं?
yes,
So that is why large number of people were gathered there to watch Mahatma Gandhi and to speak to Mahatma Gandhi. Some of the journalists were also there, बुझिएला? So
yes,
they were eagerly waiting for Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi reached there, पहुंचले city, and someone who was buzzing around that place about the dresses and the trousers of Mahatma Gandhi, बुझिएला? And everybody was waiting for Mahatma Gandhi what he would wear, से कौन पिंधुथिबे बोलिकर देखिबा ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତେ एकत्रित ହୋଇଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା? And they expected that he would wear some extra special dresses as the foreigners, as the Britishers wear, बुझिहेला? But it was quite different. Something different came from Mahatma Gandhi. Someone asked Mahatma Gandhi, where are your dresses? And in response of that, the person or the king was present there, and he said, or he replied, had enough on for both of us. ଆମ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ସମାନ ଅଛି. But what was the response from Mahatma Gandhi? Let me discuss with you. When he was invited to tea in Buckingham Palace with Fifth George, King, and Queen Mary, all England was agog over what he would wear. What did the person Mahatma Gandhi wear? कौन से पिंधिथिले? देखो, a lion cloth, लायन क्लथ होची जोड़ा मु कहली इट वाज कवर्ड अप टू हिज नी नहीं कि
हाँ सर
हाँ तापरे डांजलिंग डॉलर वॉच गोटे झुलुथुआ गोटे वॉच गोटे घंटा से पिंधिथिले बुझिला हाँ ए सैंडल एंड ए सॉल गोटे सॉल थिला आउ जोता and his dangling dollar was subsequently someone asked Gandhi whether he had enough on so lion cloth विषय तुमको कहथिली कोन
जो नीड है
हाँ 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 लेख लायन क्लथ
हाँ सर
हाँ it a dress he used to wear or a trouser he used to wear which was covered up to his knee ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ड ହେଲା incessantly the meaning of incessantly ମାନେ continuously ହେଲା ଅବିରତ ଭାବରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଏଗୋଗ SGOG ଏଗୋଗ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଭାବରେ ବା ଉତ୍ସାହିତ ହୋଇକିନା ବୁଝିହେଲା
सर इंसिडेंटली माने
incessantly ମାନେ continuously ଅବିରତ ଭାବରେ ବା ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା କହିବା ଅବିରତ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ continuously ମାନେ ବୁଝିହେଉଛ ତ ସିରିୟଲି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛ
तापर कौन देखले सर
एगोग AGOG एगोग बोली कहले एक्साइटेड आग्रह भावरे बा उत्साहित भावरे बोली लिखि पारिबो बुझियला एबे
हाँ सर
द स्टोरी ऑफ द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ सेकंड यूनिट
हाँ सर
a journalist asked Mahatma Gandhi whether he had enough or not बुझियला and in response of that the person king fifth George replied we had enough on for both of us आम समस्त समान अच्छी बोलिक किए रिप्लाई देले किंग फिफ्थ जॉर्ज
ठीक
and we came to know what Mahatma Gandhi weighed on that day से कौन पिंधिथिले a lion cloth his usual lion cloth कहले गोटे कपड़ा बा गोटे धोती से जो पिंधुथिले as we know that it was covered up to his knee बुझे लगे नहीं
हाँ सर
हाँ and next we came to know about the a shawl, a sandal, and his dangling dollar watch. Only thing he used to wear. सेगुड़ा केवल सेतिक जिनस सी पिंधुले बुझेगा सब्सिक्वेंटली समवन आस्क्ड गांधी वेदर ही हैड एनफ ऑन प्रकृत में एतिक जिनस सफिशिएंट कि नहीं बोलिक पचारला जड़े रिपोर्ट एंड द किंग रिप्लाइड had enough on for both of us आम समस्त समान अच्छी बोलिक से कहले for your people or for the king it is equal and for me I comfort with this and that is why I used to wear बुझियला that is what he replied to the journalist बुझियला कि नहीं
सर
हाँ
हाँ सर
so आज ये था नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़वा अधिक
हो सर नमस्कार
हाँ हाँ नमस्कार